Here we are at the Perkins Tower, atop Bear Mountain in New York. We're gonna head up there to get a view out over here. Supposedly you can see New York City. I don't think we're gonna be able to see it today because it's kind of cloudy and soupy. So let's head up, see what we got. All right. Pretty cool. You can tell this is old. Visitor history, whatever. Okay, so I believe that way, actually, hey, you can't see it. West Point was over there, and the Hudson and all that. Let's see what we can see here. Yeah, it's kind of just cloudy. So there you go. I think that's looking down towards New York, but you can't see anything, so. All right, that's it. That's the tower. Love you.